Is the PS button on your PS5 controller not working? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Clean the button. When PS button is not working on your PS5 controller, gently clean the PS button with a damp cloth. Dirt and debris can accumulate around the button, causing it to become unresponsive. Take a slightly damp cloth, avoid excessive moisture to prevent damage, and carefully wipe around the PS button to remove any potential obstructions. Make sure the cloth is just damp and not wet. Method 2. Restart your controller and console. The next thing you should do is restart the console and the controller. Press the power button on the PS5 to turn it off completely. Ensure that the controller is also turned off and disconnected. Once everything is off, wait for a few moments. Then turn on the PS5 again and reconnect the controller. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many minor issues. Method 3. Check the battery level. When the PS button on the console is not working, you should also check the battery level. To do that, turn on your PS5 console and log into your user account. Press the PS button in the center of your DualSense controller. Navigate to the accessories icon at the bottom of the screen using the right stick or directional pad. Select the accessories option. A pop-up should appear showing the battery level of your controller. The battery level is displayed as bars, 3 bars for full and 1 bar for low battery. Method 4. The original USB cable. If your PS button isn't working, try using the USB cable provided with your PS5 to connect the controller directly to the console. This ensures that the console recognizes the controller when it's plugged in. When you attach the USB cable, it also confirms that the controller starts charging once connected, indicated by a charging light or on-screen notification. If it doesn't work, there might be an issue with the controller itself or the cable you are using. Try replacing the cable to check if that resolves the problem. Method 5. Reset your controller. Before resetting the controller, make sure your PS5 is powered off. Locate the small reset hole on the back of the controller. Take a paper clip, pin, or a similar tool and press the reset button inside the hole. Hold it down for at least 5 seconds. This will reset the controller to its default settings. After resetting, plug the controller into the PS5 using the USB cable. Turn on the console and check if the PS button is functioning properly. Method 6. Check for system updates. The next thing you should do is check if your system is up to date. Keeping your system updated can resolve compatibility and functionality problems. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Method 7. Contact support. If none of these steps solves the issue, it might be time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. The support links are provided in the description below. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when the PS button on your PS5 controller is not working. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing PS5 USB cables, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.